Hello everybody, today we're looking at another watch, this time a JARAGAR, first time in the collection. The model number is J014. Sounds Russian, JARAGAR, doesn't it? This is actually Chinese. It has a super beautiful dial. Looks white in pictures, but it's actually more like cream. Has a cream color. Reminds me of what are the high-end, like Breitling Navi timer, I think. Yeah. It has date function. Oh, it's actually really nice. If you just push it on your hand, it doesn't activate. You need to almost push it and hold it. Yeah. The date of the week, and day of the month, 28th. Just slow. Looks beautiful. Pull it once and you can move it. Oh, do you see that? It's going back. Oh, I guess it's hackable or something? I don't know. That's just weird. How does it? Goes back. Oh, what? Okay, just ignore that. Alright, and it's now not working. Yeah, it can be manually wind or it can be rotary. I bought it from GearBest as usual. I'll leave a link in the description. Has an open back. It's not decorated, but it's beautiful. Mechanical watch. Yeah. The worst part about this is only the bracelet. It's kind of hard to put on. Hard to put off as well. It's just so tinny. Although it works. On this it doesn't even look that big. Because the other models are like 48 millimeters in size, diameter. This is just small. Looks nice, looks beautiful. Looks more expensive than it is. I paid 13, but now I think it's more than that. Alright, hope you enjoy.